Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to cancel your subscription in Map My Run application. Here I have the website version of the Map My Run, and as you can see I am here in the main menu or the dashboard. To cancel your subscription you need to go to the membership management settings. To do so, here we have this profile picture, so we will have to click on it. In here, as you can see in this menu here, we can see something has to do with subscriptions. We click on the subscriptions, and here we will see all your brands. In my case, I don't have any plans because I didn't upgraded my my run. You can uh, purchase your own plan, whether it was annual or the monthly plan. They are the same thing. If you have the website, if you upgraded from your website or my own website, so here they will show your plans, and then all you have to do is to cancel your membership. And by canceling the membership, you will have your features, or the features of the membership will be still working until the end of the month. Also, you can change the auto renewal applications or settings from here in the subscription, and you will find your plan here. It will be showing, and you can change its settings. If you are using, or if you purchased your plan or your subscription from your mobile phone, you have, or you need to contact the service or the customer service of your store. So if you have some, if you purchased your subscription from the Apple or from iOS, you need to contact iTunes customer service to give you your refund or to cancel your subscriptions. And same goes for the Play Store. So basically, this is how you cancel your subscription in Map My Run. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.